Okay guys, just want to make a quick video here because I just hopped in my 2023 Chevy Silverado and I noticed I went, and usually this pairs up automatically and it just goes to CarPlay. This whole screen was black. Nothing happened. The music was playing, it said the songs over here, but I couldn't see CarPlay. So a super quick fix. I've done this a few times now and it's worked every time. I just have my camera on my side tabs there, my tailgate. So I click that, I click out, and then it comes back. So just a quick fix. If this is black screened, click your camera, click out, and then it should come back like it normal. It's just a little glitch. I don't know why, but that works every time. Don't freak out if you do have sound. If you don't have sound, I have another video on a different fix that's completely different. So if you do have sound, it's just a super quick fix, guys. Hope this is useful for you guys. Let me know if it works. Peace.